Imagine you're walking through the sun-drenched streets of Paris, your phone is dead, and you need to catch a train.
In France, asking for the time isn't just about data. It's a delicate social interaction that requires the right linguistic keys to unlock.
Today, we're mastering demander l'heure, asking for the time, and donner l'heure, giving it, without breaking the social contract. Chapter 1. The Art of the Approach.
There are 3 ways to ask, ranging from ultra-polite to conversational.
Excusez-moi, madame, avez-vous l'heure? Excusez-moi, madame, avez-vous l'heure?
Notice the excusez-moi. In France, you can't just barge into someone's private sphere. This phrase acknowledges you are puncturing their privacy.
It's almost always paired with madame or monsieur to maintain that gold standard of respect.
Avez-vous l'heure literally means, do you have the time? Treating time like an object or piece of data someone is carrying.
Now, let's look at a brisker option for a fast-paced environment like the metro.
Pardon, quelle heure est-il? Pardon, quelle heure est-il?
Pardon is lighter than excusez-moi. It's the quick question tempo, perfect for when you're on the move.
And quelle heure est-il is your classic textbook inversion. It signals you're speaking proper standard French.
Finally, there's the respectful casual way, the way locals actually talk.
Excusez-moi, il est quelle heure? Excusez-moi, il est quelle heure?
Here, we keep the polite excusez-moi, but use relaxed grammar by raising the pitch at the end of the statement. Chapter 2. The Grammar of the Response.
When you become the resource and give the time, there are 2 major traps for English speakers to avoid.
Il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures.
Trap number 1. Always use il est. It's an impersonal subject referring to the state of things.
Avoid saying c'est, which is for identifying objects like c'est une table. For time, it's always il est.
Trap number 2. You must say the word heure. In English, we say it's 3, but in French, il est 3 sounds like you've been cut off.
Remember the formula. Il est plus the number plus heure. Chapter 3. Managing Ignorance Politely.
If you don't have the time, you have 2 distinct ways to decline the transaction.
Je ne sais pas, désolé. Je ne sais pas, désolé.
This is more emotional. It implies you feel bad that you can't help.
Note the spelling of désolé. If you're a woman, you add an E in writing, though the pronunciation stays the same.
Or, you can be more direct and factual with je n'ai pas l'heure.
Je n'ai pas l'heure. Je n'ai pas l'heure.
This is a simple inventory check. I don't have that data on me. Perfect for when you're in a rush.
By mastering these phrases, you're not just learning words. You're learning how to navigate the microdramas of French society.
From the commodity of having time to the environment of it is time, you now have the keys to the city.
We hope this helps you feel more confident on your next Francophone adventure.
If you found this deep dive helpful, please like and subscribe for more lessons.
Comment below with a French phrase you'd like us to cover next, and we'll see you in the next lesson.